Good morning, everyone. I am Raj Kumar, chemistry teacher. Today we have discussed the topic is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Topics to be covered: what are haloalkanes and haloarenes? Why study haloalkanes? And detail for haloalkenes. Haloarenes are aryl halides, haloalkanes and haloarenes. It is detailed classifications. Haloalkanes and haloarene example also. So mono haloalkanes classification based hybridizations. Mono haloalkane sp3 carbon single bond halogen alkyne halide sp3 halogen allylic halide sp3 carbon single bond halogen benzylic halide sp2 carbon single bond halogen vinylic halide sp2 carbon single bond halogen arylic halide and mono haloalkane classified numerical questions, and we have referred for the reference book. Okay, detail we can discuss. First one is, what are haloalkanes and haloarenes? Halo mean halogen. Alkane is one of the organic compound. Alkane with halogen attached, like for example CH3CH2Br, bromoethane. It is CH3, CH2 is alkane group, Br is halogen group, and it is name is bromoethane. Next one is CH3Br. So bromomethane, it is name. CH3 is alkane group, Br bromine is halogen groups. Next one is haloarenes. Halo mean halogen group and arenes. Arenes with halogen attached. For example, benzene ring it is there with halogen. Halogen is chlorine attached. Okay, that is haloalkanes, haloarenes. And why study haloalkanes? First point, antibiotics, the medicines maximum they are preparing, they are using for haloalkanes. Second point, artificial blood. So they are started 21st century, they are preparing for artificial blood. So still there are research going on about artificial blood. And also treatment of fever, malaria, goiter, dengue, many kind of diseases it is we are using. Anesthesia, next one. Anesthesia is one of the painkiller. When we can doing for the surgery time, the doctor is using. Next one is haloalkanes. The replacement of hydrogen atoms in aliphatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in the formation of alkyl halide or haloalkane. So aliphatic hydrocarbon, it is methane. Look at the image, CH4, C surrounded 4 single bond hydrogen atom is there. When the hydrogen atom is replaced, like chlorine, it is the chlorine is halogen group. Okay, chlorine atom we can replace, hydrogen atom we have to replace of the chlorine, it is halogen atom, that is haloalkanes. Clear? It is basically sp3 hybridization carbon atom. So we are know already CH4 is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it is. Next one is haloarenes or aryl halides. The replacement of the hydrogen atom in the aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in the formation of arylic halide or haloarene. It is sp hybridized carbon atom. So look at the image, it is the aromatic hydrocarbon like benzene C6H6. Okay, so in the end of the surrounding, it is hydrogen atom, it is there. When we can replace the halogen group, that is chlorine, bromine, whatever group we can attached, it is the one of the aryl halide or haloarenes. And then it is classification. So classified as mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. many more things, polyhalogens compound, depending on whether they contain one, two or more halogen atom in their structure, like mono haloarene, dihaloarene, trihaloarene, etc. It is there. Like benzene, it is there. For example, first one is mono haloalkane and dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane. Look at the image. It is for one benzene, alkane group with one mono mean one halogen group attached. Okay, mono, di, tri, tetra, it is also the continuous is there. And then mono haloarenes, it is also same, similarly same, it is there. Okay, like mono haloalkane, mono dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane, mono haloarenes, dihaloarenes, trihaloarenes, it is the classification also there. And then classification based on hybridization. Based on hybridization of the carbon atom to which the halogen is bonded, like sp3, carbon single halogen atom attached. Okay, for example, alkyl halide, allylic halide, benzylic halide, detail we can discuss. Okay, and sp3 carbon single atom, it is a double bond on carbon that is attached to halogen, vinylic halide, aryl halide. And mono haloalkane, sp3 C single bond halogen alkyl halide. So in the alkyl halide, the halogen atom is bonded to alkyl group, it is R. So basically we can call R is alkyl group. So primary, secondary, tertiary, it is first you can see one is halogen atom, another one is alkyl group, and two hydrogen atom is also there. So alkane group removed hydrogen from the alkyl halide. We have to first primary is remove the one hydrogen atom, it is that place alkyl group is attached, like secondary, tertiary as same as well as. And then mono haloalkane, sp3 carbon single bond allylic halide. These are the compound in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon double bond, that is the allylic halide. Okay, example given, CH2 double bond and single bond and halogen groups, it is also there. Okay, it is allylic halide. And then benzylic halide is, these are the compound in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom present next aromatic ring. Okay, it is the aromatic ring, next it is form the halogen group. Okay, that is chlorine, bromine, it is whatever it is form. Okay, it is only halogen, that is called benzylic halide. And then next one is mono haloalkane, it is sp2 carbon single halogen vinylic halide. Okay, these are the compound which halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon double bond. Okay, carbon double bond, first one is carbon is there, after double bond, after carbon and single bond halogen, it is vinylic halide, vinylic halides, aryl halide, it is also there. And then mono haloalkane, sp2 carbon single bond halogen, aryl halide. These are the compound in which halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. Look at the image. Vinylic halide, arylic halide, it is aromatic ring, it is also there. Second example, aromatic ring with attached halogen group. When you are preparing for JEE NEET exam, there this kind of numerical question will come, or board exam also this kind of the numerical question also coming. Okay. Next, vinylic halide, what the numerical, how they are asking, it is given the structure, they want to give the name. Okay, how to what is the structure and name, IUPAC name you have to, International Pure and Applied Chemistry Award, it is the IUPAC name you have to give. Okay, it is the structure numerical, benzyl halide, aryl halide, aryl halide 1 bromo 2 chloro benzene, numerical allyl halide, and then allyl halide, it is also primary, secondary, tertiary also there. And we have to refer the book when we are higher education. If you are going, you have to reference the book. This is also very important, more knowledge you will get. First book is Jerry Marsh Advanced Organic Chemistry, 4th edition, John Wiley and Sons, New York, 1992. Second, it is S.H. Pine Organic Chemistry, 5th edition, McGraw-Hill International Edition, Chemistry Series, New York, 1987. And third one is Shahan N.H. Organic Chemistry, Structure and Reactivity, 3rd edition, AITBS, New Delhi, 1998. So this kind of the book we have to reference more numerical question, more problem solving question also there you have to refer. If you have any doubt and query, it is there, please inform to me. Thank you.